Keeping your home clean, especially when pets are part of the family, often involves dealing with spills, stains, and pet hair on a daily basis. Selecting the right carpet cleaner is crucial for ensuring your living space remains fresh and hygienic. We've done the research and found the best carpet cleaners for you. If you are interested in any of these products, you can find the links in the description below. So let's start. The first on our list is the Shark X201 Carpet Expert. This carpet cleaner stands out for delivering unparalleled deep cleaning capabilities to your home's carpets. With its robust suction power and cutting-edge cleaning innovations, this machine is praised for achieving the best results in both deep carpet cleaning and tough stain removal among full-sized carpet cleaners. What sets the Shark X201 apart is its unique handheld spot and stain eliminator, a feature not found in other deep carpet cleaners. This built-in tool is specifically designed to tackle stairs, upholstery, and isolated stains effortlessly, extending the machine's versatility beyond your average carpet cleaner. The device employs Stain Striker technology, which activates two powerful cleaning agents on contact through a handheld tool, offering 20 times the stain-removing power without the need for pre-mixing. This ensures that even the most stubborn stains are effortlessly eradicated. The Carpet Expert technology further enhances its performance by combining a high-speed brush roll with Power Spray high-pressure spray and Shark's signature, powerful suction for the most effective dirt and grime removal. Pet owners will find the Shark EX201 especially beneficial. It not only eliminates odors instantly and permanently, but also effectively deals with challenging pet-related stains, including urine and smoke, making it a pet owner's best friend. For those who dread long drying times, the Shark EX201 promises ultra-fast drying without oversaturating your carpets, thanks to its efficient technology and powerful suction. The second on our list is the Bissell Jet Scrub. The Bissell Jet Scrub is not just a carpet cleaner, it's a testament to Bissell's commitment to pets and their homes. With every purchase, Bissell supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping to save homeless pets. This upright spot and stain cleaner is your go-to solution for the most stubborn pet stains and messes, thanks to its CleanShot pre-treater. Engineered for performance and ease of use, the Jet Scrub features powerful suction and an XL Dirt Lifter power brush that boasts 10 rows of bristles, ensuring deep penetration into carpets to remove embedded dirt and stains. Its design is both lightweight and practical, weighing in at less than 13 pounds, making it effortless to transport directly to the source of the stain. Moreover, the Jet Scrub promises carpets that dry in about 30 minutes when utilized in express clean mode, streamlining your cleaning process without compromising on effectiveness. The machine's high performance is matched by its user-friendly design. It includes LED headlights for better visibility, electronic fingertip controls for ease of use, and a collapsible handle for compact storage. The ease of maintenance is a key feature, with a removable brush roll, nozzle, and an easy-to-empty dirty tank, simplifying the post-cleaning process. Not only is the Jet Scrub designed to tackle tough pet stains, but when used with Bissell's pet stain and odor antibacterial formula, it can eliminate more than 90% of odor-causing bacteria, leaving your home fresh and hygienic. The third on our list is the TCO Carpet 1 Pro. The TCO Carpet 1 Pro redefines the carpet cleaning experience with its high-power suction and innovative features designed for unparalleled cleaning. Offering a powerful 130 air watts of suction, this machine ensures that stains and odors are efficiently removed without leaving behind any dirty water residue. What truly sets this carpet cleaner apart is its heated wash technology. By blowing hot air to maintain water at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it not only removes stains faster, but also refreshes your carpet with every use, ensuring a thorough clean that feels like new every time. Ease of use is at the forefront of the Carpet 1 Pro's design, featuring friendly voice prompts, an on-screen display, and a mobile app to guide you through the cleaning process seamlessly. This makes carpet cleaning accessible at any time, simplifying what was once considered a chore. The machine's removable tanks and brush head, along with an easy carry handle, ensure straightforward maintenance, and its compact size allows for easy storage when not in use. The Carpet One Pro also introduces an LCD screen with vivid 3D animation guidance exclusive to the PRO version. This full-color display provides real-time status updates and cleaning guidance, changing from red to blue to indicate when your carpet is clean and reaching 100% when the carpet is completely dry, thanks to its ultra-fast dry mode. This mode not only extracts water quickly, but also uses temperature-controlled hot air to minimize drying time, protecting your carpets in the process. The fourth on our list is the Hoover Power Scrub XL. The Power Scrub XL revolutionizes carpet cleaning, making deep cleaning not just possible but easy for everyone. This powerhouse boasts 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes, a unique feature designed to scrub your carpets from multiple angles. This technology, combined with Hoover's proprietary heat force technology, ensures a comprehensive clean that not only tackles, but also renews your carpets from the inside out. Say goodbye to the days of scrubbing stains on your hands and knees. The Power Scrub XL is engineered to loosen, lift, and remove the most stubborn pet stains effortlessly. For pet owners, this machine is a game changer. Its ability to tackle pet accidents with ease, coupled with an upholstery tool specifically designed for this purpose, ensures your entire home can stay clean and fresh. One of the most appreciated features is the heat force technology, which accelerates the drying process, allowing you to get back on your carpets quicker. Additionally, the Quick Clean mode is perfect for when you need a fast refresh, as it uses less water and formula, ensuring your carpets are clean and dry in no time. Designed with convenience in mind, the Power Scrub XL features TrueMax tank technology, reducing the need for frequent stops to empty the tank. This lets you clean more efficiently and without interruption. Moreover, the versatility of this carpet cleaner extends beyond just cleaning floors. With tools like the Pet Tool for stubborn pet messes and an upholstery tool that excels on fabrics and furniture, deep cleaning goes beyond the carpet, offering solutions for the whole home. The last on our list is the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro. The Big Green Pet Pro carpet cleaner brings professional-grade cleaning right into your home, solidifying its reputation as America's #1 brand in deep cleaners. This machine is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling pet messes, offering a level of cleaning that outperforms the leading rental units. Its secret weapon? The Dirt Lifter Power Brush features 8 rows of bristles that work in concert with robust suction to lift away deeply embedded dirt and stubborn stains from your carpets and upholstery. But it's not just about power. The Big Green Pet Pro is designed with convenience and ease of use in mind. 2 large capacity tanks ensure that clean and dirty water stay separate, minimizing trips to the sink and maximizing your cleaning efficiency. The ergonomically designed handle provides comfort during use, making your cleaning tasks less of a chore. Included with the Big Green Pet Pro is a full-size 48-ounce bottle of Bissell Pet Pro Oxy-Urine Eliminator formula, specifically designed to tackle and eliminate pet stains and odors. This addition ensures you have everything you need to start cleaning right out of the box. Moreover, every purchase of the Big Green Pet Pro supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to help save homeless pets, adding a philanthropic dimension to your investment. And that ends our list of the best carpet cleaners. We hope this guide helped you to find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.